Hand sanitizer has become an essential product in households, workplaces, and public spaces, especially in the wake of global pandemics such as COVID-19. The process of making hand sanitizer from scratch involves selecting the right ingredients, understanding their properties, and following specific manufacturing steps to ensure the final product is both effective and safe to use. In this guide, we will cover in detail the entire process of making hand sanitizer, from selecting raw materials to packaging the final product. The key to producing effective hand sanitizer is ensuring that it contains the right concentration of alcohol, typically between 60% and 95%, to eliminate harmful microorganisms. And it is recommended by health organizations such as the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, for its proven ability to kill viruses and bacteria on the hands. In today's video, we will focus on making alcohol-based hand sanitizers, which are the most effective at killing germs and viruses. Generally, the key ingredients of hand sanitizer are listed as follow: alcohol, water, glycerin, hydrogen peroxide, and some optional additives like fragrances, aloe vera, and essential oils. The process of making hand sanitizer consists in gathering materials and ingredients, preparing the alcohol mixture, mixing with glycerin and hydrogen peroxide, adding aloe vera and optional ingredients, quality control and testing. As it was mentioned previously, the key ingredients of hand sanitizer play specific roles, each contributing to its overall effectiveness. So now it's time to discover the role and importance of each ingredient. The number one ingredient is the alcohol. Alcohol is the primary active ingredient in most hand sanitizers. It acts as the disinfectant that kills bacteria and viruses by denaturing their proteins. Ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and isopropanol, isopropyl alcohol, are the two most commonly used types of alcohol in hand sanitizers. Then, after we have ethanol. Ethanol is a potent germ killer and is often used in concentrations ranging from 60% to 95%. It is effective against a wide range of pathogens, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Then, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, is another type of alcohol used in hand sanitizers, typically at concentrations between 70% and 99%. It has a strong odor and evaporates quickly, making it ideal for sanitizers that dry fast. The choice between ethanol and isopropyl alcohol depends on availability and user preference, as both are effective disinfectants. Then, water. Water is a vital component in hand sanitizer production. It helps dilute the alcohol to the appropriate concentration and allows other ingredients to mix well. Then, distilled water. Distilled water is used to avoid contamination. Distilled water is preferred in many commercial hand sanitizer formulas. Sterile water. For making hand sanitizer that is medical grade or meets higher safety standards, sterile water is recommended. Then, glycerin. Glycerin is added to hand sanitizers as a humectant, meaning it helps to retain moisture in the skin. Alcohol-based sanitizers can be very drying, and glycerin counteracts this by keeping the hands moisturized and preventing skin irritation. It also helps to stabilize the mixture by preventing the alcohol from evaporating too quickly. And finally, we have hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used in small quantities in some hand sanitizer recipes to help eliminate any potential spores that may be present in the raw ingredients or packaging materials. It is not a primary disinfectant, but serves as an additional layer of protection during the manufacturing process. For the optional additives we have fragrances, aloe vera, and essential oils. While not required, many hand sanitizers include optional additives to improve the texture, scent, and feel of the product. After gathering all these ingredients, the process consists in measuring the alcohol to ensure the correct concentration. To make 1 liter of hand sanitizer with a 70% alcohol concentration, mix 700 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol with 300 milliliters of water. Next, add glycerin to the alcohol-water mixture. Add 15 to 30 milliliters of glycerin to the 1 liter alcohol mixture. After adding glycerin, add hydrogen peroxide. This step is optional for homemade hand sanitizers, but is required in larger-scale production to eliminate spores. If desired, add aloe vera gel or other moisturizing ingredients at this stage. Once the ingredients are mixed, the next step is to test the product for consistency, alcohol concentration, and pH balance. When all is done, here come the packaging and labeling. Packaging is a critical component of hand sanitizer production, as it ensures the product remains safe to use and easy to apply. Hand sanitizers can be packaged in various forms, such as pump, squeeze, and spray bottles for your convenience. Don't forget to subscribe for months.